All right, so today is the start of a pretty epic adventure. I am headed to a small town in Texas that I've only been to one time, where I've bought a building sight unseen, and I am moving my entire garage setup, everything to Texas. We're gonna restore this historic building and move to a small town. On a whim, I kind of decided to get out of the LA area. I've been wanting to leave California for a while, and I found this building online, made a couple phone calls, and wired some money and bought a building I've actually never seen. So it's gonna be an adventure. I know the building needs a ton of work, but I'm really excited about this kind of new adventure, a new opportunity. And I'm hauling the Austin Heeley and all the shop tools and stuff out. So GMC loaned me a brand new 2500 Sierra Denali, which is a phenomenal truck for heading cross country in. And I really want to thank GMC for loaning me this truck because it's amazing. I've got heated seats, I've got air conditioned seats, I've got a nice sound system. So yeah, heading to Texas. Good morning. So it is the following morning. I stopped last night and slept at a truck stop. I was pretty tired from packing and driving all day, so I decided to pull over and sleep for a few hours, and woke up this morning to a beautiful sunrise here in Texas. So a few hundred more miles and I'll be in Groesbeck, and we will explore the town.
Michael, look at me.
All right, so I'm leaving Waco right now, and I'm headed out to Groesbeck. Groesbeck is going to be the new HQ for me. It's where my building is. We're going to go check out the building. It's very rough, just FYI. There's a lot of junk inside. It's been abandoned for like 20-something years. So we've got to clean the whole thing out. But I'm just going today to get some measurements and kind of figure a few things out about the building as far as layout. So when I meet with the contractors, I know what I want to get done. And then we're going to go explore the city because I really haven't spent a lot of time in the city yet. So I'm interested in checking it out and taking some pictures, just kind of exploring what's going to be my new hometown. So it should be pretty fun. So this is the entrance to the building. I'm going to take you guys in now. So as you can see, it's got some issues. It's got a cool tin ceiling that's I'll have to come out because it's missing in the back. It used to be some type of department store or something, I'm assuming. But as you can see, it needs a lot of work. There's just all kinds of junk and garbage and phone books and all kinds of just stuff that's gonna have to get dumped out of here. And as you can see, there's a giant hole in the ceiling in the back there. So needs a whole new roof, but all the brickwork is very good. The foundation, everything's very good. Everything else seems pretty solid on the building, but that roof is bad. So anyways, this is the new building. Oh, there's a secret door up there. I wonder what's up there. I'll see if I can find a way to open that up.
The thing is though,
Is it? All right, so I just wrapped up my meeting in Groesbeck with the contractors. They're going to give me some quotes in a couple days, hopefully, on cleaning out the building and fixing the roof. Good news is the front half of the roof is actually in very good condition, so I don't have to redo the entire roof. I just have to redo the back half of the roof, which is kind of what I thought. And they're going to give me a quote also cleaning out all the junk and scraping everything out and exposing the brick and doing all the cool stuff that I want to do in that space. So that's kind of step one. Got stuff out here to storage, got the building kind of secured and looked at, fixed the back door on the building, met with the contractors, and now I'm headed back to California. So 21-hour drive back to Cali, and then I have to come back out here to Texas with my BMW and a bunch of other stuff. So yeah, we're moving forward. Till next time.